Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2016 Harley-Davidson Streakline. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 20,565 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 5/30 seconds, and the rear at 5/30 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician has noted a clunk in the transmission. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. We found no blemishes above normal wear for a vehicle of this year, mileage, and type. This bike has a toolkit, 2 keys, and 2 fobs. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, and a multifunction 2-speaker audio system. It's been upgraded with a Corbin seat, a timing cover, an aftermarket front wheel, chrome fairing vent trim, a chrome windshield trim, chrome frame guard, chrome dash trim, grips, chrome switch housings, chrome reservoir covers, mirrors, braided lines and cables, an LED headlight, LED front and rear turn signals, mid-frame heat deflectors, axle caps, caliper covers, a horn cover, saddlebag guards, docking hardware, shift linkage, a headlight trim ring, a plate bracket, and pinstriping. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.